Are you thinking of a way to make a nursing concept maps? Then you can now make your nursing concept map right on your mobile phone using this incredible tool called GitMind. To begin, simply open this application. Next is to create a new file by tapping the Create File icon. The editor will then be opened. Now press this icon to change the theme for your file. Go to Menu and then tap Layout to select the outline that you prefer. After that, you can start typing the topic that you need to work on. Add the nodes for the subtopic that you need for your concept. Just keep on adding nodes until all of the details and insights are included. To add an image, press the node and look for this icon and tap it. Look for the image and press it. The image will then be imported right away. If you wish, you can also change the color of the nodes, fonts, and lines. To save the changes made, just press the three-dotted menu and tap Save. For sharing the file, you can do it by tapping the three-dotted menu, but this time press Share. And that's how to make nursing concept maps on your phone. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next one.